guys, welcome to the vlog. So it's Monday, another appointment day. Sterling goes this time to the her regular doctor, just to see what she has to say about everything. And her she has a lot of acid reflux, so ooh, so bright. I'm gonna feed my chickens. I would like to go to Tractor Supply, but I know we don't have time. Hey guys, so I am soaking my dip off. I got it off this one already. So soaking it off this one, it's almost there. It's still a bit, yeah, so but I made an appointment with my nail lady for 5, and it is 3:12 right now, so I'm not going to work until after I get some nails on. And I say nails on, you know, to make them stronger, because I feel like they're really like, I feel like I'm like trying not to touch anything and do anything. I put a roast in the crock pot, so I just did like a Mississippi style pot roast with the pepperoncini peppers, brown gravy, and ranch. So, and I was gonna go to Zumba, but now my nail appointment's at 5, so I know it's not gonna be done in time to go to Zumba. So I guess I'll just have to miss tonight, which, you know, is fine, but I love going. I love it. I look forward to it so much. But tomorrow is the concert, so I wanted to get my nails done. They had grown out so much. I think I'm just gonna go with a French manicure, because it doesn't show up as much when it grows out. It's only been it's only been 3 weeks. Tomorrow will make 3 weeks since I had them done. But I feel like with the French, like, even though it had been 3 weeks, it would still look alright, you know what I mean? Anyway, so I'm trying to soak the last little bit of this off. And oh, so an update on Sterling. So she went because she has a lot of acid reflux, and like I said before, I don't know if it's like, does she have an ulcer? Is there something else going on? And we had the referral from the ER for a GI doctor. So I called that, and they're like, oh, follow up with your doctor. Like, so what good is a referral if they just refer you back to your doctor? You know what I'm saying? Anyway, it really ticked me off when it happened. So we went back to her doctor, and we got the readout on her DNA testing. And so it'll give you all the lists. It'll tell you how she metabolizes stuff. She's a rapid metabolizer, especially for stomach medicines. There we go. So, well, she's a fast metabolizer in general for all things. And so she was been on omeprazole, and the doctor said for her to take it every morning and night. It's 20 milligrams. With the other medication she's on, they said they might have to up her doses of omeprazole because of the effects of her other medication. Well, with all of that being said, she looked it up in her chart, or in the DNA. She gave us a copy of it, of her DNA stuff. It shows that what did she say? What are they called? I just have it in my head. Okay, I actually thought of it when I went in there. The proton pump inhibitors. So So things like what omeprazole is, she metabolizes them, processes them really fast, so they don't last very long. So like if I took like 20 milligrams, I'm just saying, I don't know how fast I metabolize, but let's say I was like a normal person, a normal metabolizer. If I took the 20 milligrams, 120 milligrams should last me all day. She was taking 20 in the morning and 20 at night, and she was still having really bad acid reflux. So they, with her report, whatever, like it just shows that it wouldn't last very long in her system, so she's switching her to another one. Anyway, yeah, so that is one of the reasons why her medication, the omeprazole, was not working, is because her body just processes it really fast, and so it doesn't actually have time to work in her system. It don't have time to sit there and, you know, do what it's supposed to do. But yeah, so I feel really good about her overall, you know, how things are going lately with her new meds. She's on like several different ones, so they all seem to be helping. And you know, she still has her anxiety moments, she still has, you know, but I think once we get the acid reflux controlled, that will help with her symptoms as far as her not feeling good, feeling like she's gonna throw up. When she gets the acid reflux, you know, she gets upset and worried that, you know, she's gonna throw up, and that's her biggest fear. So getting that under control will help a lot, and I can already see so much improvement. And she's been on her medication for like her newer medication for like 3 weeks now. So but I'm going to finish soaking these things off. We're getting there. We're getting there. Yeah, so we gotta, and this, you guys, so that is hair dye from when I added the low lights to my hair, so you can see it in there, the low lights. So when I added in the low lights, I got some under my nail.
Mom, is there fun there?
No. Would you like to go swimming for a little while?
Why?
Do you want to swim for a little while?
Yeah.
Mommy's got a little bit before her appointment.
Your appointment what?
Not a hair appointment, my nail appointment. I'm gonna go get my nails done in an hour and a half. So if you want to go swimming for about 45 minutes or so, you can. So I'm gonna go out with her and let her do a little swim, check on my animals. I'm just trying to be really careful with my fingernails. Oh gosh, what am I gonna do about potatoes? Because we're gonna have mashed potatoes with it. And if I leave at 5, my husband gets home at 6. I don't know how long it's gonna take to get my nails done.
I need someone out there to watch me.
I will as soon as I soak my fingernails off. We're probably gonna have to vacuum it again, huh? So I'm here to get my nails done. It's 5 o'clock. Don't mind our snacks. Don't mind my trash. I cut my nails. Guys, see? Oh my goodness. Darlie said they look like they need a vacation at the beach. But hopefully I can talk about the TV. I just wanted to share with you. I bought some stuff for my friend Mandy. She was having a clean out. Oh my goodness. I added some chicken scrunchie. I'm trying to talk with the TV too. I was gonna cut it, but I decided I'm just gonna tear it open. So she was having a clean out and she posted some stuff on her Facebook. And so I bought some. So I got this key ring. These sunflowers. You guys know I love sunflowers. Oh, look at my nails. I'm like a model. I've got this lovely sunflower. And then I saw this one and I just like the leopard print. And actually Danny would probably absolutely love this. I think I might give it to her when she comes. Anyway, and then I saw this scrunchie. And I always lose my scrunchie. I have the same scrunchie. I always wear it when I go to Zumba. So I saw that one. And then I saw this one, which I love the checkered. And then she gave me this one, which is the chicken and barn and stuff. So when I go to Zumba, now I've got a few to choose from. Oh yeah, oh I feel so fancy. Anyway, I've got potatoes boiling for mashed potatoes. I straightened my hair today, so it's very like slickery. I also got some ribbon in from Danny. Which got 3 of those. And then I got some bobbins. But after dinner, I'm gonna go downstairs and embroider out. I think I have 2 or 3. I don't really know. Oh, I have one that's I guess it's a rush order. It really is not a rush order, but hey guys, so I ended up making my shirts and I put them out. But that's it for today's vlog. I'm going to a concert tomorrow. I'm so excited. And yay, I got my nails done. I love them. So thanks for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.
Thanks for watching. Hey tomorrow. Bye guys.